Hello, it's Teresa again. Today I'm making one of Nigerian's favorite dishes, rich smoky Nigerian jollof rice served with delicious steak. And today I decided to use the bake method. I baked the tomatoes, onions, and pepper and blended it. I added garlic and ginger into that paste. Once that is done, I added that into the hot oil alongside with the butter. Allow that to cook. While that is boiling, go ahead and get all your ingredients, your seasonings, okay? So the seasonings I added to this delicious jollof rice was curry, thyme, paprika, adobo, and all the three flavors of bouillon, which is the stew, beef, and chicken bouillon. That's it. So you add all the ingredient into the sauce, you stir it really well, add some water to it, bring it to boil, and once you get the nice boiled sauce, add the rice into that and let it cook on a low heat. Okay. Once that is ready, I added the green peas, tomatoes, and onions for dressing. Go ahead and check the description and caption for all the ingredients, and as always, follow my page for more. Bon appetit!